What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Oh my god.
And my boy. So, this could go really well.
No, it
Or
probably
it could
won't.
go
Let's be honest.
really... No, it won't.
Yeah, that's
Oh
fine.
my god. My character is something else. Yeah.
Moustache. Wow.
Wait, are you seeing this or are you making your own?
I'm making my own right now.
I was gonna say. As I was going through the mustaches, you were like, oh my god, I am... Oh my god, this is so bad.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna make a room. Then I think you can.
Have you done that?
I don't know.
You're hacking.
Yes.
You're hacking in Bigscreen.
Bigscreen, yeah.
Give me a mod menu, bro.
Alright. I'm gonna just call it.
How am I supposed to join?
I don't really know.
Okay, well that's not the best start.
No, it's. Productivity. Okay, ready. Here it is.
What's it down? Right. Okay, I'll see you. Right. Wait, I'm order.
No, okay. Just on the apartments, the rest of the way.
Did you know? No, just one the water.
No, it's now playing. You just press ready.
Oh god. I'm not supposed to be here. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I know sorry for what's going on here. You're not. I'm gonna leave. This is very old for me. Yeah, okay, that's something. That? That was an experience.
What's that?
I didn't like 15 guys. I'm not supposed to be. I'm really sorry. That's okay. Wait, okay. It's okay. Everything's nothing.
Yeah, and click join ready.
Join ready.
Okay, in the room.
Yeah.
Hyphen.
Yeah.
H8.
H8.
JD.
JD.
H.
H.
FQ0.
FQ0.
Yeah.
Okay, that was just the room ID, and I'm already tired from typing.
Oh, Christ, we've got to do more of this.
Oh!
Oh my god! Holy
Hey!
think Hello.
Your hands up. If some guy pulls the strap on you, yeah, you don't just start going.
The strap on you! Oh!
What the hell? Yeah, let me just whip my flat screen that floats. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Oh
With
my
me
god.
And my boy, with my boy here,
Hey!
he's gonna describe what we're doing today. That's selfie stick, mate. There you go.
Yo.
Yeah, I'll hold
Okay.
it for you.
In this amazing video, we're making a game in VR, but not a VR game. That is gonna be what title are we gonna give it?
Making a game in VR. No, seriously, in VR. Coronavirus. VR.
So we're gonna have like an hour to make a game if we can actually live for that long. I'm getting some errors down in my console log though. Bro, what the hell?
The hell does that shit say?
Ow, I just head by my microphone. Oh shit. Yes, we're gonna be doing a great epic video. Oh.
Oh no! You get that out of here.
Oh.
I'll go there.
Where we make a VR game in.
This is a good setup. Look, some ground rules. Okay.
Okay.
You can only use stuff that you find in the Unity window.
Okay.
So there's no like import, nothing from the asset store either. So I mean, you know,
Bruh.
how?
Whoa.
How you doing that?
I'm pressing my joystick in and out. Bro.
What? I'm pressing my joystick in and out.
That's what I said, bro. Top down shooter. Boom.
No, that's gonna take hours.
I'm doing it. Alright, so we're making a. Oh, Christ. Okay. This is.
May I just say that I've not actually programmed in 2D for like 3 months, so I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yo,
Okay.
Yo, my life is 2D.
Yeah, I'm just having trouble right clicking.
Alright, square.
Oh my god, I pressed the wrong thing.
Actually, I'm gonna go one up. I'm gonna do a circle. Mate, I've got a really good idea. Oh, right, what is it? Oh, let's make a game in VR. Oh, sounds good. Now I'm literally already regretting.
How the hell do you delete stuff though?
Okay.
You can't delete things. I just I think I know how you delete stuff.
For
You just close the window and hope for the best.
loca.
Okay. I think.
Alright, I'm making my first script in VR. Seems a bit weird. I'm launching up Visual Studio, so we're gonna be here for about 90 years.
If you think we're resizing anything.
Bro, it's gonna be so scuffed.
I accidentally got rid of my inspector, so I'm just quickly adding that back in.
You got
I was
rid of
actually
your
quite-
inspector, bruh.
Yeah, let's not get bogged down in the
sh-
details, alright? Oh my god, what the hell is this? There we go. Wait, where does... Okay, I'm not complaining.
Yo, it's already missing a script. Yeah, it's definitely not the workflow I'm gonna go for when I, in the future. It's,
Oh my god.
But Mountain Blade Bannerlord is out now, bro.
Can you just be quiet?
My first
There's
script!
Yeah, just stop flexing. I can't control the... I'm gonna cry.
Semicolons are actually gonna be the death of me in this, genuinely.
What is that? What the hell is going on?
Yes.
How that? I give up.
No! Transform.
I'm actually gonna cry.
Stop.
What are you even doing? How are you doing that? Stop cheating.
Equal. Oh shit, where's the equals? There's no equals! What?
Is there any chance we can do this with a keyboard and mouse?
I feel like that's a good idea, to be fair.
Right, can we just explain that we did try?
We did try. We've got video evidence that we tried very hard.
And we will put this in the video.
Mouse.
Oh
position.
my god, this is so nice. Rigid body 2D.
Calm down, bro.
Gravity scale. 0. Where's the 0? Found the 0.
Oh god.
You already know I found the 0. Not to flex.
Mouse position. Mouse pause, and then we put in speed. Okay, I think I've already done it.
Variance. This is so much better than it was.
Yeah, I think it's not really good enough.
Viable. Cursor
It's pretty cool, I can just look at what you're doing.
pause equals camera.
Bro, you got a Visual Studio 2019 update.
Oh no.
Then put brackets.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you do input.mouse position in there.
Wait, is the mouse position a float or a no vector 2? Fun.
Oh, it's so bright. Bro. Oh, Chrome is bright as fuck. Oh my god.
Position.
Way. And this is what I ended up with at the final product. Sadly, my video got corrupted, so this is the only way I can show you what I've done. But the challenge was really fun. I really enjoyed it. It was really weird, like making a game in VR. Please do check out Jack's. His link will be in the description. And also, we're getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, like insanely close. We're blowing up right now, so if you could, please do feel free to subscribe and help me get to that milestone. I would really appreciate it. I would recommend this challenge to loads of people, so maybe, you know, you guys could try this out yourself. It's really fun. We used an app called Bigscreen, so if you're interested, go ahead and use that. And also, please do wishlist Millions of Minions on Steam. The early access should be coming out in the summer. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.